Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save on website hosting with Bluehost, easy tutorial step by step clearly. To start saving on website hosting with Bluehost, visit their official website. Click on the Get Started button on the home page. You will see several hosting plans available. Choose the plan that best fits your needs. For beginners, the basic plan is often the most cost-effective choice. Click on Select under your chosen plan. Next, you will need to choose a domain name. If you already have a domain, enter it in the provided field. If you need a new domain, enter your preferred name and select an extension. After checking the availability, click on Next. You will then be prompted to enter your account information. Fill out your personal and payment details carefully. Take a moment to review any additional features that might be suggested. Uncheck any options you don't wish to include to save on costs. After finalizing your choices, click on Submit. You will receive an email confirming your purchase and account details. Log in to your Bluehost account using the credentials provided. Explore the dashboard and familiarize yourself with the tools available. You can now start building your website using Bluehost's website builder or install WordPress. Take advantage of any promotional offers to enhance your savings further. Remember to review your account settings for any potential savings options. Keep an eye on renewal rates for later budget planning. By following these steps, you can effectively save on your website hosting with Bluehost. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.